Welcome to Umiya Saw Mill. Umiya Saw Mills in Nagar 3rd Block, Bangalore is known to satisfactorily cater to the demands of its customer base. Umiya Saw Mills came into existence in 1999 and strive to make for a positive experience through its offerings. Customer centricity is at the core of Umiya Saw Mills, and it is the belief that has led the business to build long-term relationships. Ensuring a positive customer experience, and making available goods and services that are of top-notch quality are given prime importance. It is one of the players in door frames, timber log, sal wood, wooden door, laminated plywoods. The Umiya Sawmill is known for Lima doors distributors. They have a wide range of customized and designed doors, and are also well known for finger joint works. They accept modes of payment such as cash, debit cards, checks, make every business transaction easy and seamless, contributing to make the entire process even more effective. It stands located west of Chord Road, Nagar 3rd Block. You can easily locate the establishment as it is in close proximity to opposite Powerhouse, Manjunath Nagar, 1st stage. For more information, do visit Umiya Saw Mill, Nagar.